Hi guys, what's up? Demoscenes here. Today I'm a bit excited. Got a little package here. This one here. I'm not sure what's inside here. I know it's some kind of computer. So just hang on here and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. By the way, the music you hear in the background is done by Red Devil of Fairlight. It's a cover from an Orange 3D demo part 2. Always nice with the proper music in the background while doing computer stuff. Let's check it out. What's inside here? Some kind of floppy. Bob. Alright, whatever. Oh, what the alright, this is a towel guy with something there. I'm not sure if... Whew. You know what, I'm gonna lower the volume of this song because it's killing me a bit. It's not nice to be screaming at the guys, so to speak. What's this? It's the PSU. Some kind of German thing. Yeah, let's move it there. RF cable. Some kind of power supply cable. Boom, going up there. Standard floppy cable. Really nice. What's this? You never know with... I mean, come on, what the... Jeez. You never know what's inside those boxes, you know, when you get them. Check this out. Whoa. Alright, that one is going to the bin. Wow. What is this? And this is a towel guy. He's obsessed about towels and bed sheets. But this, whoa. Can you see it? It's the Vic20. Wow. That's some pretty heavy stuff. Boom. Yeah, this music is awesome, by the way. Oh wow. So it's a German computer. One joystick. Whoa, power. Yeah, the user port or whatever it is, some kind of expansion port, I think. The video and the disk drive connector, tape connector. It looks to be in pretty good shape if you're asking me. Great. Gonna try and stuff it away a bit. Make sure. And this one, whoop, let's pop it up, out, rip it out. This is, oh my lord, this is why it was heavy to lift. A floppy drive, a white one. Wow, this guy hasn't even been removing the protection plastic. Yeah, standard 1541 drive, single drive, floppy drive, Commodore. Wow, let's check it out. Oh, I love that sound. Wow, man, let's put it on the desk. My lord. Okay, so what's more inside here? Wow, we got one of those, pretty much the same. Not sure what it is. It's quick shot, I think. Just leave it there. Cassette. Didn't that? Oh, I have so many of those. Whatever. Let's see here. Some kind of cassette thing. An Introduction to Basic Part 2. Wow. An Introduction to Basic Part 2. Okej. Introduktion till basic del 1. That's the basic part 1. Cool stuff. I'm Swedish, so that's why I'm speaking Swedish. And this is a zipper. Oh wow. Check it out. That guy is crazy. Some kind of start program. Gore-Tex and microchips. Just put them back the same way they came. Wow. Am I complicated or what? Yeah, I like to do this. Just to. Wow, this is cool. An RS-232C terminal type. It's basically a modem for the computer. I'm sorry for that break, something happened here. And now let's go on. It's an 8K ROM cartridge. Good. 1904, some kind of game I suppose, a slot game. Oh, Programmer's Aid. Wow. And this is probably a hacked 16K RAM cartridge. Whoa, someone has been banding it. Oh, Programmer's Aid cartridge. Again. Here it says how to execute it. An 8K ROM. So this is... whoever gave this to me, I know who it is, but he wanna be anonymous, so I'm not gonna say his name. But thank you, man. This was freaking awesome. I mean, I suppose this is working, the Vic20, the floppy drive, and whatever, that little cassette thing. One thing is for sure, I'm not gonna connect it with a German power supply because I have a working power supply, so I don't wanna like zap it, so to speak. I'm gonna rig it up as always, and we're gonna go through the things here. Actually, that is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna make myself heard. Pardon my French; it has never been good anyway. But I'm gonna just end here, and we're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna take a look what this is all about. Alright, so we're back again. I got it rigged up. What I decided to do was to not rig up the floppy drive because we just did one floppy, and well, I couldn't just be bothered to do that. But it's gonna get pretty exciting because we're gonna go through the cartridges and stuff like that, and just check out what this dope machine is all about. The music you're hearing in the background, Commodore 64 music. Anyhow, let's just turn this up, or boot it up, see what's going on. Black and white screen, that's weird, that's not really how I remember my Vic20. Maybe something is just, clap, 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 there we go. Looking fine. The function keys are not working because nothing is plugged in into the computer. Let's try this cartridge. Oh, it's gonna be a thing, but trust me, it's the 8K RAM cartridge that we're gonna plug into the expansion port. Of course, we need to turn it off, else we will probably break it. That would be a pretty bad idea, I guess. Just gonna yank it in a bit. Oh yeah, check out the memory. It's a bit more than what we saw the last time. I'm gonna try and get something to point with. Yeah, this, you can see here. See what I mean? It's looking quite funky. So let's go on. the slot thing, 1904. Gonna crush it in a bit. Oh, there we go. This was a tricky cartridge, I can tell you. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, so this is a bit of a slot machine. Okay. Pull level. F it to start to play. Okay, let's pull the darn level. Oh, we need to insert coins. That's probably good. Here we go. Oh wow. Wow, I got some kind of score, I think. Let's insert some more coins. Play. Boom! There we go. Put the lever. Oh wow. Cool. Alright, dope. That is working. Hey, check it out, man. This is really cool. I'm gonna rip it out and insert the program aider or programmer's aid. It's 1212. Oh, that did not sound too well. Some of those cartridges are pretty rough to get in. Like this one got a bit skewed, so to say, and I don't wish to do or have that. As far as I'm concerned, this one you had to like start with the oh crap, the keyboard is a bit stiff. The stiff, and we had what was it? Did I say like 20? Oh crap, the keyboard's really bitching. That has to be 2 8 6, and the 6 is also a bit funky. 6, what more? 8, 1. Oh, not 11, but 1. Illegal. What I was trying to be smart, but something went wrong there. Oh, I see what I did wrong. It's a self 2. And 2 was a bit. Whoa. 2, 1, 2. 2. 8. 6. Crap. And then we have the 8. Not double 8. 8 and the 1. That was also a bit funky. Programmer's aid. Whoa, this keyboard really needs to be help ready. Okay, but what left? Okay, so it has some kind of function keys. Let's just do it like that. I don't know what the hell. What happened? Oh, you know what? I'm getting a bit too stupid. I should have done it. 2, 8. What more? What did it say? 2, 8, 6, 8, 1, 6. Old bastard. Input. Okay, so that's one command. The F8 char. Okay. Right. Cool. So I guess this should be go to round, left, mid. Cool. So this is hey. Yeah. Let's just move on. Shall we? I'm going crazy here. As always with it. I have quite some cartridges to go through. We have another programmer's aid, which I'm not gonna But this one was different. Hey, we're gonna try it out. And we're gonna go for the 16. I was wrong. We're gonna go for the 16K cartridge, which has a bunch of switches, which I'm not gonna even jeopardize with. Damn! This is really hard, you know? Change the tune to banded wave. Let's turn this on. Whoa! That's some kind of fight free, I can tell you. So yeah, this is cool. I got a Vic20. It needs a bit. Yeah, I'm just trying the keyboard, and I can see that it needs some kind of. Maybe I have to open it up and kind of mess around. Man. I can tell you, this keyboard mess around. You see, I can even type on this damn thing. With. Anyhow, you get it. Just mess around with. Yeah. There we go. See what I mean? Anyhow, this is cool. I'm excited as hell. I'm just gonna snap up the lid of this beauty and see what's inside it. Just repair it a bit. I think the keyboard needs some kind of fixing, so to speak. But I'm glad it's working, and I hope this one has been fun for you, even though it's a bit, you know, as it's supposed to be, a lot of talking and just, you know, just kind of, yeah, unscripted as always, and I'm kind of just excited to get this working, and I got this, and it's cool. I guess I just turn this off, and I will see you later in another exciting video. So goodbye for now.